Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Wild Terra 2 new land scheme for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Wild Terra 2 new land scheme, and then click on Wild Terra 2 new land scheme from the result. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you will see get Wild Terra 2 new lands free to keep when you get it before 15th June 2026. So if you download this game before 15th June, then you can keep this game in your account forever. So click on add to account button, then click on click to install now, and here you can see Wild Terra 2 new lands. File size is 7.19 GB. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to library, and here you can see that Wild Terra 2 new lands game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope you can also follow the same steps to download or install Wild Terra 2 new lands game on your PC for free via the Steam launcher. And if you download this game before 15th June 2026, then you can keep this game forever in your account. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.